me. Guys, you gotta follow me because I know the way. Okay, let's go. We have to wait at the red light. Okay. Stop for a minute. Let's go. Oh, turn. Okay, you just bumped into it. Okay, let's go. Into the underpass. Way. Oh. Sorry, texting. Okay, wait, we're on the mountain. Okay, welcome to our home. My name is Hello Kitty. That is my mom right there, standing next to me. Her name is Karen Kitty. That is my sister. Mean Kitty. The girl in the striped shirt is my sister, and the one in the blue is Mom. The person in the yellow and pink outfit is Karen. An umbrella, except she does not have it, and her name is Rainy Kitty. Thank you. And this is our house, but we love it more than anything in the world. There will be a tornado soon because we live in Tornado Alley, which is common for tornadoes. And I want you to know it might happen soon because it is tornado season. Okay, I'm in the pool and I guess something's happening because the marching band is here. Oh wait! Family! Kitties! 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 The band is playing different songs. I don't know. Okay, I think we might have it having a tornado. Where did the roofs go? Ah! Oh no! Everything's going to be ruined. Wah! What? Oh my gracious me, oh my, oh, what happened? Wah! Oh my, I think we might have, some of us might have died. Whoa! 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 What's going on? Our cars! Our precious things that we have in our house. Is it over? Is it over? Wait a second. Is any of our family members dead? Let's see. Granny's under the house. Wait, where is Granny anyway? Granny! Rainy Kitty, where are you? Amen. Zoom in close. and we'll try to find Granny. 1, 2, 3. Granny! There you are! Wait. Zooming really close. We're here, Granny. Are you okay? Doesn't look like she's breathing. Oh boy. You know what this means. The music tells us. Who even put on the music? Oh boy. Something's going on. It must have been a twister. You're right, but it couldn't have caused that much damage and killed Granny. Oh boy, Rainy. Oh. Okay, don't worry. We'll just wait and call the hospital. But our phone line is broken. Oh boy. Cut. Wow, it was a very nice time having you there. Even though it took a little while, you fixed our house nice and neat. Oh, it's my pleasure. Okay. Bye-bye. In honor of Rainy Kitty's death, we are having funeral for most important person of your life. This right here, the front, is Karen Kitty, and that is her mom. We are so sorry to say your mom is dead. Right here in the pink is Hello Kitty, and she has her grandmother, not great, in hand that is dead. And this is Mimi, older sister, not so upset grandmother's. Oh, now, don't wail, don't cry. She will always be in your heart, and she will have the spirit of God inside. Yes, thank you for coming to the mass, and a final goodbye to your great grandmother. Bye-bye. What happened? Another one. I knew. I heard a noise. I didn't know. Oh, whatever. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, now, I know it's again, but I really thank you. Oh kids, where's your mom? Oh, she went out because we had a funeral for our granny. Of course, you see she's not here, and she's going back to the church to get the bed back. Yeah, bed. Okay, bye. Wee. Oh, I can see the house is all fixed. Mr. Cartapier must have came again. Can never say that. We're back. Yay. We missed you a lot. Okay, bye. Wait. Good night. Good night. Good night. Oh, I think I'm gonna have nightmares without your granny. Don't worry, it's okay. You survived 5 weeks. Well, yes, but I was reading magazines in bed, and now I don't know where they went. Oh boy! Okay, I just stopped it. You know why? We have to restart. If you're gonna put your hands all over that, I can't just do that. Then I have an idea. And also, I also kind of did it down on myself because I was talking. Wait. Mommy, can we have some invisible string?
Sure.
Like right now?
Yeah.
And some scissors.
Is it in that thing there?
Ooh, seashells. Okay, what thing? I want to see these up
The
close.
sewing kit, whatever you want to call it.
The what? The sewing clip.
Sewing kit.
Oh, where is it?
Right by the window, right there. All right, let me look.
No, here. How did you get
Don't
on?
touch that, don't touch that.
Oh, that. Oh,
Yes,
right.
this, but it's not.
There's the window.
Oh yeah, here it is. Is it?
Good.
Invisible? Yes. Couldn't see it because it was.
Invisible. Wait. Okay, let's go. I like taking videos of everything. That's exact. Oh,